Hello, my name is MakerMaddox, and welcome to another Bookbinding Basics. Today, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to make your own pocket notebook, punching holes through the pages that you've selected, one by one. Page by page, step by step, ensuring that they're all exactly the same. Running your needle through the middle aligns all your pages while you're measuring out your thread. Good rule of thumb is length of book times number of holes. That'll give you plenty. Tie a knot on one end of your thread. Tie it tight. Ensure it will not pull through the holes of your notebook. Pull your thread light but firm, taut but don't tear. Starting from the inside to the out, then back to the inside. Applying firm, gentle pressure. Ensure not to force or bend your notebook while pulling your needle through. Tighten stitch. Ensure that it's taut, but not too tight. Moving aside your end knot. Ensure your needle goes back through that center hole without piercing your thread. Ensure everything is taut. Take a deep breath and pull that needle right through that center hole and back into the inside through the final hole to do your final stitch. Up and around that stitch, loop it back around, cross the loose strand over the stitch strand, insert needle through loop, pull knot tight to center. Snip off your excess thread. Your stitch is complete. Burnish down your notebook with bone folder. Using a straight edge and a razor pen, you will now clean the edges of your notebook to ensure that it is flush with your cover. Gentle, even strokes, not too much pressure, allowing your blade to do the work. Concentrate on running it against the edge of your straight edge. It's your patience that makes quick work of this cleanup job. Watch them release onto the table with your gentle cuts. Satisfyingly, with tip of blade, move them to the side. Continue to clean the edge of your notebook. Down to your cutting board. Check your edges. Remove any remaining straggling little nibs. Sand the edge. This removes any small particles and softens up the edges of your notebook. No paper cuts, smooth to the touch. Time to take those jagged corners down, rounding the corners of your cover and all of the pages. Page by page, until it is complete. Take a deep breath. You're almost there. You are finished with your notebook. It is complete. Embrace it. Examine it. Flip through the pages. Feel the breeze on your face. Flip it around into the light. Roll the thing.